go! Put me the damn GoPro.
I was standing on top like this.
Ow! Wow. Push the button.
Leave the baby to look good.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's not practice.
Is he making Pac-Man? Oh my god, freaking Pac-Man.
For snack breaks. Wow. Bow, 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 do, 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 do. There's trams operating along the beach, like here in Wildwood and more. You can use trams to get along, to go on these different places that you can't walk.
Ongoing creativity and artwork performed by one of the airshow industry's finest airshow performers, an award Stephen Hammond. He's best known as the Ghost Rider, doing what he does at an altitude of well over a mile above the earth, and it stands in as one of the
Wow. Okay, I already fixed it. Wow. Bam, bam, bam. There was the place when we filmed the air show last time.
This was a bigger, perhaps on a signature scale, was trying to draw more of the globe, but in fact, it turned out to be something totally else entirely. And instead of it being a four-leaf clover, it's a buck.
Wow, it's a butterfly.
And there it is. What do you think about that?
Yay!
Yes, indeed. Thanks for that. A guy who well keeps that artist style alive is a fantastic addition.
I almost hit it.
is for about 2:30 this afternoon with the U.S. Marine Corps. F-35B Lightning II taking flight today at about 1:30. And at 2 o'clock, headlining the SOAR and Shore Air Show, the U.S. Air Force's F-22 Raptor.
Damn, yeah.
Celebrate this great weekend and enjoy the 2026 edition of the SOAR and Shore Air Show.
Hi there. Wait, what happened here? The last time I didn't come wasn't like this. Now this whole stage is closed. Why? Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Yay!
Release for the aerial action of AC in the Jersey Shore on what's turning out to be truly impressive Saturday afternoon. In just a few moments, we are going to see some of the world's greatest aviators as we set the stage, the open sky, for one of America's finest aerial events, and a show unmatched anyplace else in the nation this weekend. On today's show, we will see Atlantic City's very own one streetwalker Sam Trickerson, Nathan Hammond, and Paul Bennett are here as they take flight in their unique brand of aerobatic aviating. From the American Air Power Museum, we'll welcome the P-40 Warhawk and the P-51 Mustang, as well as the Woodward Airshow team and the two S&J trainer aircraft. We'll witness the Big 17, the United States Marine Corps F-35B Lightning II, and you most definitely won't want to miss the U.S. Air Force's F-22 Raptor. We are going to have a great day as we take flight. Let's get ready for the 2026 SOAR Air Show begins. Let's fly! For F-16s today, flown by the pilots, Lieutenant Colonel Michael Long, his call sign is Miles, and Thomas DeNovo, his call sign is F&G. The F-16 recently celebrated its 50th anniversary after its first flight back in 1974. And here at home in the Garden State, our hometown heroes, the legendary Jersey Devils, have been operating those iconic fighters since 1988. They stand at a 24/7 watch over our Northern skies. Rescue flight demonstration as performed by members of the United States Coast Guard. The Coast Guard Air Station in Atlantic City. We are most pleased to welcome.
Oh, wow.
MH-65 Dolphin helicopters. And the backup of the Dolphin career spans more than 40 years. Constructed of lightweight materials designed with innovative aerodynamic features and outfitted with some of the most sophisticated ADIs. MH-65 is well equipped for the wide ranging of missions of today's code. And of course, familiar with gadgets as part of our U.S. Coast Guard, they'll be giving you a run-in from our left in just a couple of short moments from now. In just a moment as well, we're about to see this demonstration. And demonstrate a simulated SOCER, or Search and Rescue Mission. Our crew today is preparing to showcase to you what it might look like when rescued out in the Atlantic.
One of those strangers to one. You know the rules, and so do I.
When we get the chance to witness the search and rescue demonstration, often with a single helicopter. That either be the J-Ball helicopter. Today, personnel and assets are overtaken.